Hello, and welcome to a brief overview of the Nucleus Graphics Designer product. The Designer is a visual design tool which enables all aspects of a user interface to be defined and modified on a desktop PC without any programming or scripting. Using an existing project, we'll have a brief look at the various windows that make up the main display. Minimized on the left here, we have a Project Explorer window, into which we can load a sample demo project. If we expand the folders within our sample demo, we can see the various resources and files required to build up our sample UI. Over to the right of the screen we have a preview window. You can view an emulation of your UI project here. Design changes can be seen as you make them in this window, or it can be used as an interactive version of the full UI system as you piece it together. The central window of the Designer is the main editing window. I'll open a couple of files for a quick view of how you define your UI's content and layout. Nucleus Graphics enables any kind of content to be displayed using a variety of graphic and text formats. Of course, the actual content will often be provided live at runtime from your own software. For example, if you wanted to display file details from a memory card or contacts in an address book. However, you can also set up predefined content at design time. You do this using menu files. In this example menu file, we see a list of actions that might be displayed on a handheld device. Each option in the list has a text caption, a graphical icon, and a more detailed text hint. You specify the layout of your design in template files. In the preview window, you can see how the content will look when it appears on the screen. The window here provides a drag and drop style of editing for your layout. I'll make a few changes to this menu and template file so you can get a quick feel of the Designer in use. I've opened up a resources window here on the left, into which we can see all of the graphics that are included in the project. I'll drag a couple of these over now and replace the menu data that already exists. Opening up a template file here that defines the layout of your page, I'll grab a couple of the elements that we can see and move their position. As you can see, the changes as we make them are visible in the preview window to the right. The Designer provides a high degree of control over the look and feel of your interface and allows you to add in advanced animations and 3D effects easily. No programming or scripting is required. I'll save the changes I've just made, and then refreshing the preview window on the right, we can view our changes in the full system. You can see here the orange icons and the menu data, and then the different layout positions as well. After you've finished working on your UI design, you can export it via a simple wizard for integration with your own code to run within our simulation tool or on your target hardware.